I don't know if I want to finish, but let's my just go light to myself. I pitched in about on for that case. Today we're going to this it, and we're doing this with my cousin Hawk. Say hi.
Hi.
And so this is what we're building. So that there's more. 1 to 4. Okay.
3.
1 to 5. Okay. Next step.
100.
1, and then this is instructions.
Maybe we do need this.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't.
That's last. That's probably gonna be the last step.
I think I need 1, 2. Yes, I need 1, 2.
Okay, and then so first step you do is this one is you find that box piece. It should be this piece. And then you need it's gonna be sideways, it's kinda hard.
Get my water bottle.
Ooh, but it's gonna be sideways video. That's not a good idea for sideways. Unless I took it sideways. I did not take it sideways, that's the problem. Okay. Anyway, what piece do we need? Yeah, we need 2 of the 1 by. Don't need that piece. How about this? Let's cover those pieces over there. So you don't need those pieces. Ow. We need a 1 by 1 by 1. So is it at number 5? Do we need number 4? Okay, I'm gonna open bag of 4. I'm gonna open all bags. It's just because. There we go. Is that click? Is that click? That's not good, but it is click on the sides. On that one side. What is it? Wait. No, it's black. It's definitely black. Because you know that's when that's black. That's gray. Huh. I really thought it was going to be in here. Maybe I did have one. But really, it's weird that I can't. I found this piece, but that's not it. Is it gray? Oh, that's gray. It's black. It's gotta be one. You know? Is that it? That's it. I need 2 of those. One of them. There we go. Okay, so basically what you want to do is you want to place this guy. Yeah, no, you want to place this guy here. Okay. You place this guy right here. So just like this. Just like this. Is that correct? Or is it? Oh, it's like this. Is it like that? Is that correct? Yeah, that's correct. And then you want to place these guys 2 back pieces on these guys right here. Okay, and basically just like. Where is that noise coming from? Alright, they're probably gonna be there all day long. Okay, I guess. Now the next step for this is step number 44. Is you're gonna take this black piece for number 0. Right? Or this white piece first. You need to take you need to take both of these guys. But wait. And then you need to take 2 more of these bad babies. Then 1 the white of the white one of these. So it's not the white one, but the white. And then 1 of these should be 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 28. That's 2 by 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, right? 1, 2, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? It says 12 by 14. 2 by 14. 1, 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is the correct one. That is not correct. Okay. We might use it there, but this is what we need. So we still need a light. Okay, it is. Okay. Recording. It's okay. So the first step is you're gonna put this black piece. You're gonna put it. I believe it's last 2 ones are here. Just like this. The last 2 are gonna be the last 4 are gonna be on that. With 2 on the edge. Okay. Then you're gonna put the white piece. Not there, but yeah, right there. Just so then there's 4 on the edge. Right? Yeah, like 4 on the edge. Yeah. Then, oh wait. And then you're gonna put the other 2 ones. And just right where the first 4 shots for the white. Okay. Then you put the these flags right here, just like this, and then keep the, yep. Then you gotta place this guy. Then you gotta place this guy right here, just like this. Just like this. Is that good, or is it? Is that quick or is it not good? That is correct, right? And then this piece goes like there. Oh yeah, that piece goes there. Okay, that is correct. This is what you want to have so far. This is what you want to have so far. Yeah. Then you're going to have I'm gonna check what else is on. You take one block piece. Just like this. Just like, and then you need to take and of course you need to take this piece of here that I put aside, I guess. I guess we need those. Just two of those, just two of those like that, and then you need to take, I believe it's a square, so I can just circle like the squares. Red squares. So there's red squares. Where is the second square? It's in here somewhere. Then we're gonna need to take this piece here. Do I really need to do this? Yes, I do. Okay. Then we do need this over one thing. I'm going with this gray one, and then I believe it's the one 2x8 with a hollow cell. But then it's at 45. Where do you put it? So you put it. So basically, you put that guy like just like there. And you have there we go. Here we go. And this is what you are so far. Okay. Then for step 46, you want to take this piece right here. First, you want to take this gray piece right here. If you want to put that gray piece back, yeah, you want to put that gray piece back right there. Just like this. Just like this. So, yep, just like that. Then, you take this piece right here. And you place it on top of it, but in the back. You want to do that, please take that piece, put that in the back. Then you'll put the white piece. The first thing you also need these guys first right here. You gotta put these guys right here. Just so then it'll be easier to put this other white piece right here. Just like that. Because then you're gonna put this other white piece just like that, and there you have it. That's what you wanna have so far. This is what we want so far. Okay. That's step 46. Step 47 is you need this white 2x6, 2x4s, I mean. And then you need these. You need number 6. The 1x6. So the 1x6. So it's 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 2 of the 1x3s. So 2 of the corner pieces is what I'm gonna call them. Okay. Then you need two of basically what's it? The one with the one by one with the grabbies. You need 2 of those. So you need 2 of these guys. So 1 in there. And then you need 2 of these guys. You need that one. There's a 1 by 1 with a grabber. Grab. And then we just need 1 more of one of these. Is that correct? You only need 2 of those. There it is. You know what I like to do? It's also there we go. And then so then for this one you're gonna put these guys right here. You're gonna take this one right here. And then I'm gonna go like this. And they're gonna go across here. Just like that, and then they're gonna, yep, just like that. Just like that, and then on this, oh wait, Oh, wait a second. But first, before you do that, you need to take this piece. Is that correct? That is correct. Okay, that's correct. And then you need to put this piece just like that. Just like on the side, and then wait. Oh yeah. Then you want to put this piece right there. So make sure you have a gap right there, I guess. I'm gonna say thing on this side, but I'm gonna move that guy on this side just because. Just like that, okay? And that's gonna go right here. So right here, right here, or right there. Oh yeah, on the right one. Okay, that's gonna go on the right. Oh, and with these guys on the sides. Then you want to put these guys on the side, just like this. Just like that. On the sides. Just like that. And then go take the white piece and I'll put that right here. Okay? And then step 48, you need another 1x6, so it should be this one. You need 2 more of those corner pieces. And then I'm going to see my face and I'm going to eat after this video. So 2 of these guys. Then you need 2 of the 1x2. 2 1x2. Where are all those stuff? Alright, I'm gonna set the tires out right now. Just because we know the tires are gonna go together. But oh, there we go. There we go, please. And then so basically you put these 2 pieces. Yeah. Once again, you do the same thing you did the back. I'll put a good piece on now. You really see my face. I really do need to see my face. I don't know why I hate my secret face. It's just... So if this one's gonna go this way, so it needs to be on like here. So then this piece needs to be on there, okay? And this piece is gonna go this way right here. No, this is gonna go this way, this piece has to go like there. Just like that. And then you're gonna take the L6 1x6 and put it on top of that this time. And you're gonna do the same thing you do with this. Just like that. And then you're gonna put that guy right right in front of you. Just like this. Just like that. Okay? Step 49 is you're gonna take 6 of these guys. You need all 6 of these guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 2 of the 1x2s. So 2 of these guys. it's coming from. But then what you want to do is you want to do this 2 times. What you want to do is you want to take this guy. You want to take 2 of them, okay? Plus 2 of them together, just like this. Okay, I'm gonna do that right now, just so then it'll be easier, and then it's gonna be these guys, just like this. Okay. Now the other ones are gonna go. So now this car right here, see what this is? Yep. The other ones are gonna go right. So I believe. Correct. I might have to take that guy off for a second. I might have to take this guy off for a second. Just for a second. Just for a second. So then I can put those guys on there. Is that correct? Is that correct or is it? That is correct. And these guys come off again. Because I did it wrong. I did it the wrong way. Okay, and then you guys have to go. Basically, go like here, but how? It's really how? What if I put these guys here first? Then I put this guy on there. That doesn't work. Okay. Wait, is this guy there or is it back one? Is that correct? That is not correct. Sorry, that is not correct. Oh no, that is correct. That's kind of weird. That is correct. Then somehow this guy goes up there, which is weird. Yeah, first I'm gonna put, and then the other 6 or 2 ones that go back here. So the other ones go back there, just like that. It's like, yeah, is that correct? Or does this one go? It looks like that's correct. These can't possibly go like that because it does, but it doesn't want to stay. The only one stays right there, but let's check. One, two, three. That's where it goes. What if it goes back 1? No, but that's actually where it goes. It's weird. these all pieces has to go, Whatever, I'm missing one step. Am I missing one step? Oh, wait a second. I am. Is that? That is correct. Is that correct? Or is it the wrong one? It is 1/6. But if it goes there, that doesn't make sense if that goes there. These two are there. It's supposed to go like here. That does not make sense. Because then this piece is supposed to go. I'll touch it like there. But how? Why I mess this up? I'll try this again one last time. Oh, I put it the wrong way. My mistake. I put it the wrong way. Now I understand. I put it the wrong way. That was my mistake. It happens so many times. I'm like, I put it the wrong way. That's weird. Alright? That's all for this part. Until next part, peace.